Okay, we're back in the garage because it was raining out and I gotta push it in. We're gonna pull out the doors now, so I'm gonna get to work on that. Probably pop this guy off first, and then work our way around. See if I can brighten that up a little. That's better. Alright, cool. These guys off. Take this door card out. Oh, weird. Okay. So you have to rotate it and it comes out. Okay, very nice. Now I gotta pull whatever wiring, if there is any. Just the speaker. And then it's electronic door lock too. Alright, I'm gonna pull the speaker out. Pull the wires out, and the door should be able to come off. Whoa. Oh boy, alright. So, door is off. So, oh jeez, that's really bright. There we go. Door's off, so now I can go ahead and take off the fender. Yeah, so this the body is pretty good. It's just that bottom runner, which isn't too bad actually. You should be able to fix that. I can buy a panel for like $80. That's pretty cool. We'll keep tearing some more stuff off. Look at that little weird ass carburetor. Actually, I don't know what that is. Alright, I'm gonna call it for tonight there. Probably go and rip the rest of the doors off tomorrow, get those, kind of get everything stripped, and then we'll start with the interior. get you real fucking close. Take this stupid door part off. Fuck you. Put it through my little baggie, bro. Come in. Oh, you bastard. What? Yeah, there we go, man. At least this one's in better shape. Not good shape, but better shape. Alright. Well, since it doesn't click in anywhere, I'm just gonna fucking... You probably like pull a little motor out and stuff, but like I'm just gonna cut the wires. I don't care. Try and get this fucking door card off from the inside because the door's stuck. Can't open it. Okay, full got it. She's coming apart very slowly. Oh, damn. Doors are all off. Start pulling the interior out. Get that bad boy off right there. Yeah, she's coming on. Alright. Well, this is some shit, ain't it? But start tearing the interior out, see how bad these fucking floorboards are, bro. Let's get these fuckers out. Alright, make a zipper zapper out of here. Hell yeah. Fucking easy. What the hell? What size bolt is this now? Play the Jarvis computer, play the Zelda opening a chest music. Computer, go faster. You bitch. There's one goddamn little fucking screw right there. Because of course there is. Okay. Alright, now computer, play the Zelda song. Oh my god. Look at all that floor. Well, it's got the sound deadening, you know? Look at that. The fucking sound deadening is solid. There's no floor below the sound deadening, but you know. Alright. We're gonna be in for some fun, boys. Go ahead and pull this seat out. This guy loved his wheel chasers. What do we got right there? Ooh, what is that? Let's see. Empty weed bottle. A lot of cigarettes. I'm gonna grab the garbage can and clean all this out. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna keep just pulling shit apart until stuff comes apart, you know? I don't really know how to take these out. We'll figure it out. Hopefully these two will allow me to move this back thing up and unbolt wherever this thing bolts to. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now looks like. Okay, so when removing this back seats, right, there's this pin that you have to get in and you have to pull it out. See how it's spring loaded? You have to wedge that out and pull up. And there's a little thing. Put you in here. Can you see that right there? This guy? That's where it slots in. So you have to go and pry it out and slide it up. So I'm going to do the other side and pull the seat out. There we go. 50? That's a cool car. Cool. I don't know if it's the nicest looking. I don't know if it's the nicest looking.
What's nicer looking than that?
That boy?
This thing?
The 76? That thing is classy. It looks like a BMW.
No, it doesn't. It looks like a brick.
Okay. Alright, that is going to do it for this video. We're going to got the interior basically completely stripped out. Just a couple more things I want to do in terms of like the back seat and stuff, but the dash is next. We're going to pull all that out in the next video, and then we're going to start going through figuring out what we need to repair, show you some of the damage. Here's some of the carnage. She rough, that's for sure. So everything's got to come out. Redo some new rocker panels, you know, but she's got good bones. So, catch you next one. Peace.